It's me, Alona, your nurse educator and lactation consultant. So today, may maganda akong news para sa mga kababayan ko, okay? It's a breastfeeding month of August, and I know so many women, so many people, healthcare providers all over the world are celebrating this big event of the year, Breastfeeding Month. So, kudos sa mga nanay na nag-breastfeed, na nag-mix feed, na nag-formula feed. As long as you're taking care of your baby, saludo ako sa inyo. So, I have a good news for all of you, okay? So, I finally able to go home. I am going home this month of August for Breastfeeding Month. And speaking of breastfeeding months, I have a long list of seminars, engagement, and conferences all over Philippines. So I will be doing workshops about breastfeeding, about education, about everything when it comes to teaching and education, and as your educator and lactation consultant. Taon-taon ko na itong ginagawa, na stop lang because of the COVID. So this year, I'm finally able to come home and do workshops. Now, sa mga workshops ko, ino-organize ito ng mga healthcare providers, either part of the Department of Health and part of DepEd or Department of Education. So ako yung speaker, ako yung nagtitrain, ako yung nagtuturo sa mga midwives, mga healthcare leaders, mga nurses, and mothers. Welcome, okay? Now, hindi kaya ng schedule ko na lahatin ko ang buong probinsya ng Pilipinas, okay? Because just to travel from Visayas, Luzon, and Mindanao, napaka long traveling, and then with the workshops that I'm handling. So I have the privilege to conduct workshops. Babasahin ko sa inyo kung saan itong mga location na to, okay? I have the privilege to schedule to do workshop in Dumaguete, Negros Oriental, and with the coordination of Silman University Nursing Department. So I will be doing breastfeeding workshops there. I will also be doing breastfeeding workshop in Pagsanghan, Laguna, in Luzon, okay? I will be doing workshop in Bicol region, as in Legazpi, Albay. I will be doing workshop part of Manila, and Davao. I will be also doing workshop in some universities in other provinces. I'll be doing workshop for education in Leyte, Southern Leyte, and as well as in part of Visayas. So these are the provinces, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, that I have scheduled. My whole schedule travel is a vacation and then work and then workshop. So why I'm doing this? So it's been going 7 years now that I've been doing workshops in the Philippines. Na stop lang dahil sa COVID. That's how I started doing these videos in YouTube. Dahil na-realize ko na hindi lahat mga nanay o mga tao, families, that I can reach you, all of you. But through this YouTube channel, natutulungan ko kayo kahit pinapanood niyo lang yung video ko, not in person na nag-workshop ako. However, if you are in that location, doon na mention ko, and if public is welcome, you can coordinate with your leaders, and then you never know, maybe I can drop by and do a 1 hour or 2 hours workshop in your community. How's that? So you can do your comments if it's possible, dahil nandiyan ako sa Pilipinas, at pag nalagi ako nandiyan dyan sa Pilipinas, I don't waste my time of not doing anything. Lagi talaga akong busy doing workshops for the nurses, healthcare providers, for mothers, for teachers, for students, lahat na. So, if you haven't watched some of my videos on what I can do, I did a lot of volunteering workshops, seminars in the Philippines for 7 years now. And I enjoy doing it dahil alam ko, bibihira lang kayo nakakita ng lactation consultant na nag-iikot sa buong Pilipinas at nagtuturo ng mula sa puso. Okay? I want to teach the right thing, the right breastfeeding, the right formula feeding, and also the right parenting, kung papaano tayo i-guide natin yung mga anak natin, especially if you have students right now or young kids right now at home. So, yan ang role ko sa buhay. Ito ang role na binigay ng Diyos sa akin. That's why I am preparing myself, very excited that finally makakauwi na ako sa awa ng Diyos. And you never know if you're gonna be seeing me in person doing these workshops that I just mentioned to you. Now, again, you can do your comments, you can message, and see if you can organize in your community. At kung sakasakaling medyo malapit ako sa location nyo, I will gladly come and do a workshop para matulungan ko kayo. Or if you would like to do me to do a workshop. Now, since nabanggit ko na rin ang travel ko, during traveling, pag sa mga nanay, minsan talagang nahihirapan ang mga nanay when it comes to traveling. I think I created a short video before, a year ago I think, about kung ano talaga yung necessary things when you're traveling with an infant, okay? Sa mga nanay ngayon, lalo na ang mahal-mahal ng yung formula ngayon, if you want to save money when you're traveling at hindi mo kayang bumili ng formula while you're traveling, I would suggest, instead of buying formula, invest a cooler. Okay? Invest a cooler. Kasi ang cooler, mas nakakasave ka ng pera at allowed naman sa airline or allowed naman sa mga transportation, kailangan talaga na may cooler ka to make sure na safe yung milk mo. Kaysa nagsasayang ka ng time magpa-pump and then later on it just get wasted dahil lampas na ng 4 hours, hindi na didede ni baby. But if you can invest a small cooler, kahit siguro sasabihin mong styrofoam cooler or portable small cooler na kasya lang yung 4 na bote, depende kung gaano ka katagal magta-travel. Dahil sometimes when you're taking a bus or taking a train or in the airport, minsan ang hirap magbe-breastfeed. Now, if it's more convenient for you na kung may pump ka o kung kaya may stored milk ka na nasa cooler mo, very convenient for you at less stress sa'yo. So, when you're traveling, always remember na minsan si baby sa sobrang pagod, hindi na dumedede. Hindi naglalatch. Minsan si baby sa sobrang pagod, iyak ng iyak. So the only way you can calm down this baby either to feed the baby, comfort the baby, lalo na pag maraming tao. And the worst scenario is when you're in public places at iyak na iyak yung anak mo, tumitingin lahat sa iyong tao. Because pagod din itong mga tao na to eh. And then naiirita dahil yung baby mo iyak ng iyak and you cannot console the baby dahil frustrated ka na rin. So make sure you prepare mga nanay, lalo na allowed na ngayon magta-travel. Prepare what you need to prepare. Number 1, yung gatas nyo. Prepare mo yun. Number 1, if the baby is older, always carry juice or water with you. Kasi minsan ang baby, minsan ayaw dumede, pero pag binigyan mo ng juice o binigyan mo ng tubig, iniinom yun. Or anything treats, kahit anong mga knickknacks na importante yun. And then, number 1 thing talaga na, lagi ko itong dala-dala. Kahit ako'y adult, blanket, extra blanket. Kasi kahit sa ang sulok, either you're in the parking lot or in the bus stop or in the airport, kahit anong sulok, malagyan mo ng kumot and baby can lay down because when you always carry the baby, naiirita si baby. Minsan gustong humiga si baby. Ngayon, kung wala kang ready na blanket na pwede mong ilagay sa kahit siguro sa lupa or sa kalsada or whatever, wherever you are, na makastretch lang si baby, do it, okay? Kasi yun lang ang comforting ni baby minsan. Pag iyak na iyak si baby na, okay? And then always bring a toy. Ito nakakalimutan. Ang baby, mabilis, lalo na pag toddlers. Toddlers are 2 or 3 years old or 4 years old. Mabilis maboard. Mabilis mainitin ang ulo kung hindi nila na-enjoy yung sarili nila. Pero isa sa sinasang na iwasan nyo talaga, no? Avoid too much screen time, meaning too much cellphone time, too much tablet time habang nagtatravel kayo. Masasanay si baby. Do something else, either you bring a book, you bring a coloring thing, para ma-enjoy mo yung travel mo. So, yan ang payo ko when it comes to traveling with your baby, either your formula feeding or your breastfeeding. Pag ikaw na may mag-formula feeding, always make sure na naka-measure na yung mga scoop mo ng gatas mo doon sa mga bote mo, dahil pag sa dami ng mga tao, wala kang space or lugar na buksan yung mga lata mo na you measure of how much scoop you have to put. It's a lot of trouble. So I would rather prepare it. Kung 2 scoop, lagay ka ng 2 scoop and then ready to prepare na yun bago water first, and then yung 2 cups, 2 scoop na sinisave mo. Kasi mahirap talagang, lalo na sa mga crowded places ngayon. So I hope you learned something from this video. So you never know kung magkikita tayo. I'm very excited for my next trip, again, vacation. So again, I will be in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao doing workshops for moms, students, teachers, nurses, everyone. And watch for my videos dahil ipopost ko yung mga videos ko sa mga places and provinces that I've been through. It may be chop videos because somebody gonna be recording for me while I'm doing the lectures and workshop. But isi-share ko sa inyo ito dahil napaka-ganda ng mga program ko, mga presentations ko na ipipresent ko. At gusto kong i-share sa inyo para may matadagdagan ng kaalaman yung mga sarili ninyo when it comes to raising your kids, feeding your kids, disciplining your kids, dahil variety ang mga workshops ko. So, bye for now. I'm very excited. Mag-i-impake na ako because the next video that I'm gonna be showing with you ay actual workshop presentation ko na sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So thanks for watching. Please share this video and please continue to subscribe. Alam kong hindi ko kayo i-fail sa mga videos na ginagawa ko sa inyo dahil bibihira lang kayo nakikita ng lactation consultant na katulad ko. Very devoted na nagbibigay talaga sa inyo ng tama. Okay, tama, hindi gaya-gaya, at hindi maling teaching on how to formula feed your baby or breastfeed your baby. Bye for now. I'm so excited to come home finally. Thank God. Bye for now.